land. We need a man with vision to lead. John Mahama is the man for us. Oh, Ghana needs a change.
Mama, I'm sorry, and renewal, what's Yashin, Nina, Yawo, Deka, Ghana, Naneman, Sakia.
Let us rise for a change. Ghana needs the best man. Arise for a change.
Naneman Sakia Belashe Time Aswo Time Yaki Mama and sorry
John Mahama is the man for us.
Oh, Ghana needs a change.
Let us rise for a change.
Sorry,
A vote for Mahama is a vote for Ghana. Ghana needs the best man. Arise for a change.
Ghana, Naneman Sakia.
Omadeshe emobi adwe emobi akwaba eba NDC 360 sene munyina munim no we ye dwumadi sronko kra NDC amanyoko ya hwehwe se ye de bodawro afa nepa ene nhwehwe ye pa yewra John Dramani Mahama ni NDC amanyoko ewoma oman Ghana na watumi ato abapa come 7 December 2024 ehaso ena nsem we ko twiba abreman efa amamuo bone a owura kufu ado ne na bedi akiri ba wumi ebu a ama Ghana ye dendende a yesi apene no eha ene ye de emu no krenchechiri mu nyina aba yini mako sa chechede na ntema akodampu etiase. This is the 12th edition Midiane Sammy Gyamfi NDC achame hene mosomfo and I will be bringing you this 12th edition of NDC 360. Today we are streaming live on Facebook as always at NDC 360. Oko X, the Dodo friend at Twitter as well. We are streaming live at NDC 360 official, and we are also streaming live on NDC 360 official on YouTube. As always, we are also having a simulcast on 5 TV networks, free to air. You can access these TV stations anywhere you are in Ghana. Onuya TV, Angel TV. We also live on Ways TV and you can say TVXYZ. I also know that we are live on MBN TV and Akina Radio in the Blue East region, and of course on several blogs, Benjamin Wayo, several bloggers that me you be a film. Yet the money na mase say ukude nyumrebi amojebre na mo broadcasting jumedie ewo mo feed kese so mo magana fo nyina hu de ekoso na abusiafo enede na ye ka ho asem. We are talking about the 2024 mid-year budget review. Omampenye Kufuado ne bawumia ama omeyifo to samfo Honorable Amin Anta Ediako Parliament eno na ne obeso radio obeso TV no bi edi hu nkomo ede na wasa budget dem so bibi papa bi wo mu ana no currency bi wo mu ana enhihye papa bi wo mu a ede ahoto bi bebre yen ana se eye dada no a ene ye ba bi di hu nkomo na iwie no a the Honorable Member of Parliament for the Good People of North Tonk and the Chairman of the Parliamentary Assurances Committee, Honorable Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwah, Sabeka no wofia na yene ne dinkomo abada sem kese bi asi Ghana kata asehye dwini mproye ne kankan krono aben yibo a ene omatam sika twitwiridie $34 million ne akire. Say omo de to spare pass e de ama ambulances bi na omampanyi Akufuado baba de ho afore mu abamu mpanyimfo bi nyina ho fore mu Ghana sika ya hwere no was scandal ne ho no so message say we hwedwumedie ya obe spread the word, like it if you're watching it on social media, whether it's a YouTube link or Twitter link or Facebook link. Like, share and comment, because today we're going to make time to read your comments like we always do. So like, share the link, and tell a friend to tell a friend say NDC 360 is live, and also drop your comments because we shall make time to read your comments. Now, before we start with the first part of today's show, which will be on the 2023 media budget now. Abusia na wetwe mi memenda no dwumadie kese bi ekoso wo enkan abontenso ye bo hu dewuro kura wa ha se ye panyi a ye papa ya de nyina otu franka ma NDC amanyuko, His Excellency the nation builder John Dramani Mahama o say enche obefiti ne campaign as officially, and that campaign launch many obedi hu nkomo enche. But ahead of the campaign launch, we had a mammoth work to get fit and battle ready for campaign na also on Krabontin. So we want to bring you few highlights from that work, and when we come back, we will talk about the main campaign launch. And Sunday the Jumedieno, Ashisha so shwe mami maybe.
me thank everybody who has turned out this morning for this fitness walk. This walk is the beginning of the launch of the campaign for 2024. And I expect that all the regions will also do their version of this walk, even the region to stop you. And that should put you in good health and prepare you for the job that we have ahead. We're going to go from door to door, from house to house, from market to market, taxi rank to taxi rank, trotro station, kitchen, chop bar, everywhere. Ghanaians are, we're going to go there and send the message of NDC.
Yes, so those were highlights from Get Fit, Get Battle Ready for the 2024 campaign. Walker, of course, so you did media nukuwe Nungwa Town Park na efe eseweni and so catch it. It's your toy, but these thousands of people, they defy the race because they are determined to work hard and ensure that we need to redeem the soul of our nation. We need to rescue this country. Because baby, our my Ghana air this country, the very soul of our country. Memindeyana Ebaso, Saturday, the 27th of July, 2024. And Hefana Jumedi Bekoso, Tamale, the capital town of the northern region. Yako Tamale, Jubilee Park, and that's our friend, and Canania friend, Police Park. NDC Fonina, Yakwa Kushiawo, near penny for. Our Mudianim, the General Secretary, Fifi Avikwete, the National Chairman, Honorable Johnson Esiedun Ketia, the running mate, Yemami Obatampa, Professor. Nana Jane Opoku-Agyeman, and the incoming president nation. We are 12 p.m. K near Fitias here. So don't be left out. Don't miss out. Come for this program. For our friends, I'm always saying, "Mama, TV and a composer, Yenina Yemra, Nejumediano, and your kama." Now, when to me, I'm also manage how the program will be live on all the major TV stations and several radio stations, including radio stations in your region. And you'll be able to follow it on radio and on television. Now, Enchekra will give you that information. And what this short promo for me, the moment of true segment, and what are we talking about? The 2023 empty, useless media budget review. 2024 useless and empty media budget review.
Kamali Kawula, a son of our land comes home. The journey to reset Ghana officially begins in the heart of Tamale. Place your boots, grab your umbrellas, and let's join the flag bearer of the National Democratic Congress, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, running mate Jane Nano Pokwajiman, National Chairman Johnson Asidun Ketia, with all well-meaning Ghanaians yearning for the change in the direction of our country to officially launch the NDC 2024 campaign. Date Saturday, 27 July 2024. Venue Tamale Jubilee Park from 12 noon. This is the time to cheer and show our strength, unity, and commitment to Ghana's brighter future. Come with your friends and family. Let's light up Tamale with our passion, dedication, and hope for a better Ghana. This will be more than a gathering. It will be a patriotic operation, a devotion that will spark a revolution to rescue our nation. You cannot mix the gathering at the Tamale Jubilee Park. We must rescue Ghana from the jaws of oppression. Cometh the nation builder, building the Ghana we want together. Mahama for Change 2024. Ayazu, Ayaza.
Ablakwah, Ablakwah Biemba NDC 360. This is the first part of the moment of truth segment for today. Today, this is where we serve you with the truth and nothing. Bibi papa bi anim. The woman ya trosem adokodokonsem ene nada. Because MPP for who say ya ba to ababiem. Into oma sans was started. That is all same old story. Nothing new. The same old story, nothing new. The acting that na. Now you see, mamen kai we be. Now who say MPP party na nkasa no. Omo ye encrophobia. Oma no ede. Obroni ka bibi say slogans. So say yemfa ensem debi and dada nipa. Many panwen say bibi papa bi wo bibi mu enso na bibi papa bi anim. That is what they are experts in. And it's a mobile kaya. Ye to abama wo 2017 omo the budgets be called parliament. Almost a budget no your friend no asempa budgets. Asempa budget too. And so yanti asempa biya in that budget. 2018 almost say ejuma pa budget. 2019 almost say impuntuo budgets. 2020 in Kosovo budget. So what do you know? The slogans, the sweet rhetorics. Kasade. And no one said the 2020 in Kosovo budget. 2021 Oba Tampa budget. 2022 Ajenkwa budget. Now say Shebibio, what is Sempaba 2017? Now the Numapaba 2018. Now the Impuntuoba 2019. Edem Kosoba 2020. Edem 2021. Ozanso beji yankwa. Obeji yankwa every day. So who atrono. So slogans na nkasano they contradict each other. Because what they are Sempaba 2017, the Numapaba 2018, the Impuntuoba 2019, the Kosoba 2020, and our year oba Tampa 2021. And ye ajenkwa bembiem obeji yankwa every day mu. Obeji yankwa every Sempa Impuntu ni Numapa na Kosomu ana. You see how even simple logic exposes the cheap sloganeering. Their own slogans expose them. Then from Majenkwa, I'm saying Kabo, meaning Sedam Papa Bagana. I'm saying Kabo budget. So then from Kabo, I'm saying Kunim, Yenim, you know, Modin Sun Kunim, in Kunim budget. And on the Tihuya, or Modeho mid-year, just a fin, in such like a crowd over somewhere, nobody are called parliament. Now, some budgets here, or Modia Bain, now, Mabosui. What was Shemeno? This I won't say. Bibi Papa Ben, a wunyano wom. Insunso Papa Ben, a nyano wabrabomu. So, why wouldn't you do my woshemi? A Jumapa budget, Lunya Jumapani Biana. So, why was Shemeno? And some pa budget in punto budgets, ne ajenkwa, obiaje wonkwa. What won't punto biana? I was your for Nina na ye flakadam. Nina ye hurudo rather sem no crebieni. It is the same thing and no more. To what say as a finance minister called parliament or can budgeter, yes, I know that we are. Because the end results of all these, you know, sweet budget slogans, and they said today Ghana is a bankrupt country. Michiremu say, and Ghana your maya a car many ye intimi ntua yeka. O mine dania manfo ye kopo besia kra ye nyabi. Ibibia say ye see the nankasa say nanima guase against all the major trading currencies. Agreement here. And which the economy is bankrupt. And you're so bad, they say, Bessia cry. Into dear, Abaya Yamau 7 years, 6 months. When to be on fire, be Papa Bia. Injury time, I case 6 months, dear now, and there will be a nursing training since 2021 Otifie. We cap and so Otifie, agreement. Teachers, the same thing. And they were unemployed, trained teachers association. Same for the nurses. Other workers in Podiabubu Bibre. I was for the open sound Numa Boafo when will be anywhere or Buano because Sika, yeah, they be your money, you know, a bino edinina. And that is what we are talking about here. Now, dear, a what budget we more? Yane bufu areho. Now, was a wa woshemi utimi ejina so te to abanese. A by way the 7.5 years as senyama. Anka bosumi nsia akei we die e wo senka nana ene bawumia komu ye bibi senka omoda so e wo conscience and omo dwen Ghana for ho at least we they would have done something before they die. She said, "Yeah, can they say do something before you die?" Because clearly omo nam kwa so omo kufie. Because I'm more born Ghana for ya bere ye pensesa. Ye pamamu papa edi mpuntu ye yoni a woto beba. Enye kata hye proye dwirim pesani nkumunya amamu ya ye de taxes abegu ye nso. Ya se o man ni sikasem na ye nyina ye si apene. But ye ya ne se kakra ke ya enkomampenye kufu ado be ma ye a good pattern gift. Bibi bi e be ma ye ho han ye kakra. Now, whichra ye wom konana esu amania awofo titiru ekum memmoa ne maba wa ekum no kaso bete kakra no eno so a agufo ado ne ba womia anye wo hwe dada no a nti e-levy na yaka ho asem a ene obre ye adwuma titi mo wremu nya kakra wo se wo sende ama wo ba bia wo school mu a na aban na ti usika no e-levy no mantwem in this media budget. And that's what we will continue to pay. But Womia has the power because Basukua, Omonesho Macy Kasem Soya from economic management team, he is the chairman. No, to me say, Satwon Kuyifrio. And so, this last opportunity input when you're free. COVID levy, and no, the old general crowd won't tell us. Yarea Ababe Kubidipa Guni Pedruma. Abayne say odiaye to so the whole world President Mahamaka the whole world there is no country or general for COVID levy. Okwa mama ibiswa yare no COVID-19 puno omo manfo sika amamu obo ne nti ye mpanyimfo we omu ni tema se ye de omo de yare ne beje yeto yet yare ne nti ye nya sika over $6 billion omo dia say no their own party faithfuls like Felicia Tete MPP parliamentary candidate for Sagderigo say COVID sika na ba ye wosenke de toto oman sika sami ye no ye chechema MPP constituency executives like biscuit sa no mo che sika na fai. And if you read the Auditor General's report, you will see it. As answer the tax at so. We don't have malaria levy, we don't have cholera levy, we don't have typhoid levy or HIV levy or tuberculosis levy. And why must we have COVID levy? And this 2024 mid-year budget review, so omudi ashim, omantiso, omenchim. The atoso miensa, and now good year, boys, girls, lady kakra de how far. Because every many ho. Ti agudi omudia ye bet e bobo wa mano ne ano matwa we be share 2 we be share 1 abusuanfo eno so a boys say dey hear omo half no so a ba womia at the 10% betting levy at once nanki ye hwe animu say last budget omo de ko parliament ba womia ko bedi ni bo hye so nanka we ye free ho all these taxes are all shebo say ma ban net so ma ban the tax atomo so and so monto abama ma ban na ma ban ba me tax na ma ban de atomo so na fio. That is what he's saying. Me ba wo mi o MPP ni na MPP aban net so ah ono na hwe Ghana sika sem nyina so chairman of the economic management team o say na ban the taxes ya mabobo so ya to so COVID levy levy betting levy enwusie de na emissions levy nyina mo de ato so ba wo mi ana say ma ban na de atomo so be monto abama ma ban na ma ban ne ba ma ban be yi taxes na ma ban ne de atomo so no minu adwen we ho e asem sebe sebi impreduasa eto asomo sebi impreduasa asem we o ka kira akora keto akora be giedi because we be see so akwa hye ma we ye free one ko ye free and you had an opportunity in this mid-year budget review and also so ye free ho na metie finance minister o read the budget no de e ma me se femi ye kra no and the finance minister itimi hwe nyame anim o man penye kufu ado ne ba wo mi atimi hwe nyame anim say ne Ghana ye sikasem ayeye the economy is rebounding, things are better now, there is recovery. Abusianfo e yahudo rather sen e ntro no kure bi anim yes starting at January now we per dollar baako a we beto no 11 cedis and then we per dollar baako na akakakra na 16 Ghana cedis. How is that better? How is that an improvement? Dollar na every 11 cedis do 16 cedis no and no na ba wo mi ase nyeme ye na na kenoforiata wo bibia mo se wo kenoforiata ye nanado busuani enti ba wo mi ane ne kasa wo ntie ena nanado se ba wo mi wa kofa wo krom ni be finance minister wa wo chochomucho ena se wa kofa Amin Anta abe finance minister. It is say when I will control Ghana sika se nyina de opebia otimi taxes are when you free. Then you turn around and tell us say things are getting better. Dollar no, is it getting better? You see the award, then is it getting better? Petrol boa na ye talk gallon back 14 Ghana cedis in 2016. But this time around, a gallon of petrol drew almost 70 cedis. No? Is that better? Is that better? Enuane boo. Ka sika. Sebi ye yare mpo a ye ho dodo ye mpo a enro boo ene ete say. So go to Makola or better still Malata market where you used to go. The market you used to cite in your lofty economic lectures. Check if things are getting better. And like we did last week, and prices were a real program now. In fact, I've gotten people telling me, say, "Men sure baby, I told you in toes back at back 120 cedis because Omo ko omunya no 200 Ghana ebrosa. But Daniel Adaroma, maybe it's Daniel Adaroma, ono ko baby ayefo pa baby 2 to 4 bo. And that is why the price here is 120 cedis for a bucket of tomatoes. Can you imagine? 120 cedis. And this is something I need to 8 cedis server and a year. The same thing I brought back on 2016 under President Mahama. 170 cedis today. You turn 1,000 cedis. It's not 10 million actually. Even Kokontempo from 200 cedis in 2016 and then 1,200, 12 million. Akoko the same. Kusuya the same. And Katia the same, everything. Bayre Nedahano, and then Bayre Bako, you told 40 cedis. Puna. Baby grab 50. My cameraman is just telling me. And so, not 2016, 5 cedis. Gino rice, 5 kg, from 25 cedis today, 165 cedis. Even kenke we can't buy. Na campesi ato fresh atoso. And in times like this, the least the leaders can do, they say, ube kano kre achiro manfo. No one shows what tema. Now when you have opportunity to do a mid-year budget review, which is your last, what to take and you may be so for prices to come down. Now my woman for more breno or more high. You don't do that. You don't reduce the taxes, and you turn around and tell us that things are getting better. That is an insult to our sensibilities. So Abusianfo, the long and short of this whole conversation is nothing is getting better. Ya da ye jemuno. Ye any nim send this shefa. And now MPP communicators now. Was on my quote to figure be 2020 now inflation 54%. They say about 23% into yaya there. Oh, 2020 CD no depreciated 23% against the dollar. 2024 ya depreciated 18% into yaya there. That is the argument they are making. But here, Bibi Mame. Is that really something worth celebrating? Because as I've already explained to you, about the real economy, which is our pocketer, you improvement via you go to know economic jargons, any percentages, which are not translating in our lives. But even with those percentages, Abusia Bisawon say, then how did we get to inflation of 54% in the first place in 2022? What could Chasika over 77 billion cedis at the Bank of Ghana? And the amount buying way. That is what Bawumia, the chairman of the economic management team, supervised. Bank of Ghana printed 77 billion between 2021 and 2022 for the central government. Aye who do obudi sika ne ye wukrum. O ka say won ko IMF wako. IMF amount officer, headmaster okita ba and not Bank of Ghana. Or making sure so muntwe sika ma Bawumia ene Akufo Addo bi. Eni. It's because of that inflation back from why are there now here there. What the yako 54%. I say woni akraketwa ene obite na esefata se nipa wona ne te no ma waduane ema wonsuo ema watare hye waye na adwen se o ma waduane o ma wonsuo o ma watare hye usua na nipa bam se akra no one na te hwɛ ni ye ne maame mu ama usika mama waduane sika mama unsuo sika mama atade sika enti fa ma akra na o se okay anya hwɛ se mama unsuo ano ba aduane wunya atade wunya no watwa ne ho aka atwe so ma ya ade pa first no na wunya unsuo no mama unsuo ano forgetting say still uni aduane di forgetting say still uni atade hye and forgetting that unsuo na won fa ma woni mpo no na uni any right to deprive you of that is the same thing happening. They had they were not supposed to do those reckless things. Oh, Bob Bessia, Yakasa Muntie, and I can't have many intimintiano. Itiane, Okoya debt restructuring. Na nipa what they want car, what do Musikama, or found Sikama Binumi Yadu. Pensioners, Yamamo, Yapapa Makoma Humbi including a former Chief Justice, Justice Sofia Kufu, or Musika, now by Natanaso. Say, ye demo council yen to mean to ya. Now, what far man for Sikano, and no boy my economy region baby kakra, why are the papa be was a matunium for one, Debbie. That is it. So they created the mess, and they cannot access a yemo yen say mawomo because percentages be echo. Form. Now, Abusia, dear, medi chat one say, Akabusu means siya penny a kwakotwaba. And debia de kwakotwi ye nyina ye wasodie we have a duty to vote wisely. E was ye nyina ye to abapa twemi unim wasetinem asem cheme enti hwe wasetinem na to abapa aban dada ne wo so na wasetinem ti sen mahama ni NDC ti akonwa so na ete sen na enye mpo a na sei ne ti ana na fatoto ene wasetinem ho mamoma ye remfi abra aban we ede besia bebrebe o ma bo a o ma di ase ne kwa na de bi chata remission private jet one hour bia na etua $10,000 Ghana sika na de bi ese ye de kosi asore de amanyame eso ye di sika no foundation kra ye ntumi anye na amana kese ene da ho e won kran yet we have wasted over $58 million. Would you see this and they try 900 million cedis near. Imagine what this money could have done for you. Baby, I would say no. Imagine what that money could have done for you. Imagine. Don't forget the corruption. Don't forget don't forget it. Don't forget. Nipa oma for musika through so-called debt restructuring. Enyumo maguno. Microfinance, savings and loans. Ghanaian banks. Don't forget it. Enya last minute na abe mo bi di ansem de adokodoko nsem adadao. Don't forget. Ahuchira ye come 2022 when dollar cost almost 18 cedis. Nipa omo hwere omo betri etoto omo adwuma mu. Nipa omo nsan no aduane bo omo. Don't forget it. And let's not forget the businesses that shut down. The ayame yakra na me pese me kayo. Okay. Enkran ketenketi omo nro no. Childhood vaccines. E short to kromwa. Ye pibia ma ye man ketenketi de abo mo ho ban from measles, intenchem, and the childhood killer diseases. Yet this government is the most resourced in Ghana's history. Whether oil sika, whether taxes, whether loans. And so me disika ni na the ayanyema ensem fata ama enkura duru kwa yenyabi. Children had to die. If we actually Nigeria for ne boy. Yes, sir. Can you go see to your easy? And don't forget, say a buy way say o mampenya kufu ado ne bawomia o madi hwamo. Bosho mo de share na nya no ne yehu they are failed. And if you don't believe me, at least say bia ube believe omo ankasa party mpanyimfo de omo ka no mo ye bi omo de obeje omo di ko mpanyisi bu mu chichi o free su ase be ka tro so de ncheme wu a ye ni na chinye hwe video ima me na tie de MPP panyiwe ono ankasa aka about how ono ankasa MPP aban we led by Nanado and Bawumia have failed. Watch this video.
You came on your own to sell your ideas, but you are Nipenyere Bodopa, a vice president.
Right.
He's an economist. I know you're also an astute economist. Has he failed in a Akufo-Addo government?
Oh, of course, yes.
He has failed.
Yeah, of course. The man said, when Mahama media no crazy in Romumpa and I can Japan or my NDC ammunition, NDC for Muntikuruma. When the man said, say, when your fundamentals are weak, your exchange rate will expose you. When he was saying that $1 was 4 cedis, and the current DC for say 3 cedis, 80 pesos, and today 11.5, the rate of depreciation. What are we going to say? And to me, the baby had no credit be any account. Now they were unfairly or a mate.
But the failure near the MPP party.
But Ebasa digital dia unka say MPP I know there you take credit. Ebasa bibi nya dia wo say now you meet. Please, you see I don't want individual but media means so we makama chiro. I was expecting the way the year 2016 oka economy ho asem ye and campus say I will call around to make economy ho asem. He talks about digital. Let me tell you something. Make Western North tie economist. Muntie, tomato seller is the best economist I've ever seen. One polling station woman organized a catch and say, Honorable, maybe one ma mean to about. Nam so what day? Was it first a bucket of tomatoes and the 10 cedis. And then the same quantity no, me the 50 cedis. Me get to ashi. Inti minya juma nye metifie economist Ben Chewi. He's been able to analyze the cost of 10 cedis tomatoes. About 3 years ago, now
we need change. Baby MPP for say o minor do na ye. Yen stop your mo ho. Baby o ma bokro no adu ne eye. Scam no atoro ne nada no eye. Ahokyere o mo de ato yen so no eye. O man sika sem o ayeye. O ma ye bi o mo nko. No foforo so meye bi. Because without change, sika omo wi ani nyina wo be didi akwa buruchira kozisi because sa ban foforo ba ene ye betumi aso mu e de o ma famra kwa so ne agye nyem o ma fa o ma ye japade achemota forest prisons lands cantonment judges insase o ma ne ye betumi agye am o man no na sika no so ya gye de cheshe o mo pass o mo ntibi fa nko bank no ya gye e de am o man no ko ba wo mi ade ono wo ka ho bi obede no wa baba be chichi o mo ntumi. And a vote for Bawumia is a third-term vote for Akufo-Addo. And you buy one, get one free. O to Bawumia when you Akufo-Addo free. So if you don't want this same family and friends, Chebi Mafia, Ejapade, you know, guys, to destroy this country, vote for change. And if we are voting for change, you will be a waye bida. Bruni say we need experience, not experiment. Deɛ yɛhwɛ Ghana yɛmpata mu a yɛhu ne nsa no adwuma sɛ papa yi ɔwɔ aniswade hunu papa. He's a visionary nation builder. Ɔdwene hwɛ kan. Sɛ yɛ airport, sɛ yɛ school, sɛ yɛ hospital, sɛ yɛ akwan. Every sector, you see his investments, you see his legacy. That is the experienced leader we need. Now the here so pass on say we need a leader we can trust. Obia okanokre. Obia wahun brasie. Obia yebetumi agye na di. Say wo se a obeyo. Trust is important. Now I'm saying I was going through Facebook and I saw a young girl talking about the issue of trust. Here say Ghana for ba yeba betui. Yebeto abama obi a okanokre a yebetumi agye na di. And you'll be or see Cape Coast Harbor and so on 2 foundation Harbor be anyhow. And you'll be or see airport or Cape Coast so ya tro. Or bet what $1 to prison the ones of my IGPs wanted that. And you'll be to say about me or Becca so be a concrete. Rose and so on your concrete road
driving into a ditch, you should be able to say we are going into a ditch, and if you can't say it, we can't hand the car over to you.
So you don't think the mates will pass it for you as president come 2024?
Exactly. I'm voting for John Dramani Mahama. I have said that already. He has my vote. Period.
Wait there. Obabuno Sukonoma, young girl. She asemwa oka enya me nwa kwase bia this is the first time obeto aba but she no ankasa the way was here show discernment say bawomi also ye mere mates na ye nto aba ma na ye manistia no into be nyini for ye mates the oka no potoka se na me chire mu no we ye mates na drive a quick car basa na untimi nkankyere nse wanhwi ya obi kum nipa o the accident beba na wo ma no de car ne ko sham na donku mu nipa wo mprepra bi wu a untimi nkankyere se wo mate no ye fact steer ne ma na twi e free amana we can't trust you there abayo no e ka no and the face ye nyina ye betumi asua bibi wo accountability matters ye de tumi ma obi a adwuma wa ye company say amfo na kire ne nto aso the ofru dua paso ene piano na the ofru dua bone ekofa covid levy levy betting levy taxes bro 50 say Ghana city bobes ye twa o manum spelele wi o mai sika wi o mai ajapade mabokro no abo nyankopon krakro no nyame so ma ye ne frakadam yesi aso da ma nyame so do monteda obi ofro sa dua bone no ye piana enye ye sinifo ne amade wa ye bi do obi tu bia ye no ye piano. So President Mahama is our surest bet and our only hope to see real change, a total reset and a transformation. A vote for Mahama would say at the 24-hour economy eba amedwuma buso ubinye biaye and awunu bi ebenye biaye wadamfo bi ebenye biaye. Women's Development Bank John Mahama de ba banga ye bia mama manko na be ye mu adwuma na manko anso no mebo mo ama musika. A bank run by women and for women. The oye cashier, the oye teller, the oye bank manager, security mpo be your bar, all customers and ma and crank it to my school ma or more ideas on person will be businesses. Ye ma me mo adwuma mo to ade o mo pe besia. This bank John Mahama be with the help of Ghana Bar Penny Professor Nana Jelu Pukwajama. eba be mamo besia ehu nsi hu no kakra bi kofa we bra bi anim na wo so otim de aye adwuma aboa wo kunu ana wo de ahwe wo ma de ahwefie. That is the message we have for you today. So forget that empty, useless mid-year budget. Ignore it. Na hwe wasitinu na to aba come 7 December 2024. We have had part 1 no ABC. Hwe promo yi mame ye bape honorable Okudzeto Ablakwah be join here. Near the part 2 of the moment of true segment on Abril. And as I told you, we are talking about chrono fita pa Akufuado Bawumia Ben Edeboye. This time around, in what area? In the area of ambulance spare parts. So in Chime Fideni Friafatoa, because the Oba Beteno Ebema Wima Show, Ebema Webiru, Nebeboam waiting message. I said, Wunya Wadrim, in Si Wadrim Pia, Ebeboam waiting message. No one to Abapa. Come 7 December 2024. Yebesan Swabasisi.
Guys, the way job no dey this country side, if I plead pay and they go your kids straight. I hear say brothers they do 2 to 3 jobs for that side. Oh,
Kofi, I agree with you. My bro will complete university like 4 years this. Still they search for job. He rep on the bank. He for straight self.
Guys. All this unemployment where they go on for this country inside could be sorted out by John Mahama and the NDC's 24-hour economy policy. Easy.
How you go do
Simple. John Mahama and the NDC say them go encourage and support certain businesses, make them operate 24/7, preferably on the tradition.
We can't companies and businesses with John Mahama and the NDC they refer to
manufacturing, pharmaceutical. Mining and the quarrying industries, leisure and hospitality, the sanitation and waste management, they get included. What the be saying, there are no limits to companies and businesses will go benefit from the 24-hour economy policy.
Mensa. You sure say this 24-hour economy system go fit work?
Kofi pa, no be you where I you talk say menace they work 2 to 3 jobs for Yonki a day. So how you figure it happen?
Word. The 24-hour economy, they happen for UK, France, Germany, Sydney, even in South Korea. So you happy for you.
See, this idea be very sweet. I'm not gonna lie, it be very sweet. But people they carry one district, one factory, planting for food and jobs, moving from taxation to production. Where these ideas all pass, here all 10 beans. That be me my problem. Trust.
Guys. Make you not forget say or see a day your John Mahama and the NDC we build the Ablawah gas plant. The terminal 3 for the Kotoka International Airport and the Meridian Port Service Terminal. We right now it be the second largest harbor for the West Coast. Where them all to the web 24/7 as we speak.
Then man, if you happy no, guys, me they talk something no. For trust there, John Mahama they stand to among all of them.
Vote for John Mahama, the nation builder, and the NDC for a 24-hour economy. Ejuma Pankwa.
Abusafo Yamamakwa babiem. NDC 360. This is the second part of the moment of truth segment. That is said, we are privileged again, blessed again, to have in our studios the Member of Parliament for the good people of North Tonk. Say currently he's been promoted. Today he is the chairman of the Assurances Committee of Parliament. Who am I? talking about the Honorable Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwah. I don't want to.
Medase, my main chair, your viewers, Eddie Kain, me pese me ka nsɛm mmienu a yɛde sɛ mede to dwa ansa na yɛakɔ scandal ni mu. First one and the 24th of July ɛda a papa Professor John Evansata Mills nyame frɛ no 12 years ago mekae paa sɛ saa da no yɛn nyinaa yɛntumi anda nti ɛndɛ papa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama olidi yɛn ɛma yɛkɔ Asomdwe Park ɛkɔ commemorate the passing of that outstanding, great, genuine, incorruptible, unblemished Ghanaian leader. The scandals upon scandals, Professor Mills Abreso, we never had one day one scandal. Osha NDC your leaders are omo ebuo ema Ghana for omo base omo beboa omaino from President Rawlings, Professor Mills, President Mahama. And there me pese ye nyina ye kai Professor John Evansata Mills. Ye nim say no doubt over heaven. Na obeboa yen. Obe make sure say ye nyina soon a yesu say ye pese nyame oje yen. His memory will be a blessing. Na December 7, you be winning election way. Edi asheni nunam, edi akai ya founder so also nyame afreno. So that's the first submission of a person mayor. The second one, asida kesiye. And chebia na mebaha, and I be discuss the Senate hotels. You break key issues down. Because of that program, the attendance. At the June 18 demonstration, Ghanaian workers, Yesika, and NDC, Yampene, this blatant conflict of interest and cost for a cabinet minister, a Greek minister, Honorable Brian Champo, to annex all these hotels. Okain transaction advisor report, damning report, say clear insider dealing. Senator Mose Mope strategic advisor, as I said, Nipano or Wasika evidence of cash. Brian Champo Nkwandia, Mose, don't come me, on bet your half. Now remaining half, no, on to your 24 months, no interest, only bank guarantee, no cash flow, no evidence, obey to me at here. Intina obey work and pay. Labadi Beach Hotel, Musika and na Odibetia hotels no. Ghana for sorry. Organized labor. Sorry, say Debbie. Wo President Akufo-Addo Baomia. Mose muntie dia ye kano. Mo intransigence, mo belligerence, mo recalcitrance no. Say dia afuno yen. Until ye declare nationwide strike. And come and see fire on the mountain. Brian Champo now defending all over the place. Say on Tobium. Senate board chairman now all kasa all over the place, issuing all kinds of articles. Say we issue withdrawal, say Omun Tobium. The power of the people. Ente scandals ni na ye exposing. People have been asking now, scandals na more releases, scandals na doors, but then this is the result. Say you're sorry. Now say we declare say enough is enough. We want to show this government that real power belongs to the people. We get the results. In Tiana, this latest scandal, no, I have no doubt, say template now you use here to secure our hotels. That same template you be use it. I'm making sure say you're $34.9 million, no. Your budget you better protect the public place. At least they are can salvage. Enti me pese me da Ghana fo nyina ase, me da platform we ase NDC 360. Muna mo boa ya pa mo bo deuro a ye nyina ye to abonten so ye declare hands off our hotels, and we saw the results. Enti a collective victory, a victory for all Ghanaians, and your personal victory, a ye victory. And that must be the approach. Real power no is with the people. And if we put Ghana first, it's not about partisanship, it's not about tribe, it's not about ethnicity, regionalism, and all of that, professionalism and all of that. But our country will be unstoppable. Nobody can stop that momentum. And unfortunately, Naya Jane said, Rock City, Bra Champong, attempting to loot our hotels, no? At least yabenya break kakra. Na ya home. The way I call demonstration, the way I break, organized labor, so we declare strike and all of that. Unfortunately, Akufo-Addo Bawumia Bindway, they clearly did not come for the Ghanaian people. Until there is no break. There is no break in the scandals. Until latest scandal, no, a year, $34.9 million. Crack ya intercepted. Ansan Kenoforiata Obe free the Ministry of Finance on the 14th of February. The last action was to approve a $34.9 million transaction. Say, Omodi Koto spare parts for ambulances. Spare parts, so. Any ambulance, no. Spare parts. Anka ambulance, no krana. Anka ebia, Yabeka say, oh, okay, yanya value for money, yenshu muna, ebia yente so kakra. Spare parts, so unconscionable. And as we go through, no, $34.9 million. Spare parts. And you see this, Odeba, current exchange rate, 538 million new Ghana cedis. And your old Ghana cedis, new Ghana cedis. It's 'That is the latest scandal. And your reshuffle, Kenoforiata, we are still living under his total mismanagement of the economy. For the first time in the history of this country, be a friend with debt exchange program. I will be a financial haircut. Even if you're as bad as me, Kenoforiata say Beji haircut. We know their track record. Horrible performance, abysmal performance. Into just 5 days to acknowledge receipt of your request for an amount of $34,904,505 United States dollars.
Wow.
For the procurement of spare parts for the maintenance of the 307 Mercedes-Benz ambulances purchased in 2019. This ministry is only able to fund up to the tune of $10 million out of the amount requested.
Okay.
And recommend that the Ministry of Health finances the difference through the National Health Insurance Authority, counting on your usual cooperation.
What? Through what?
Through the National Health Insurance Authority. Can you believe that? Meanwhile, National Health Insurance Authority, omo formula ye approve it or Parliament. Na contract way and it was not approved. The Okai Health Insurance Authority, omo expenditure approved by Parliament, the formula for 2024. Parliament and culture omunkoto spare parts for ambulances. And so yes, they are not even, they are owing their claims, owing service providers. But Kanoforiata say, because this spare parts deal, so it's so important to them, no? Or no, bet you had $10 million from the ministry. Now they are $24.9 million, no? Now omo at the NHIA, the Atiaka. Enti Kanoforiata or no or sign this second letter the same day, 9 February 2024. Kanoforiata addressed to the Controller and Accountant General. Controller Accountant General Onona Yasika no Sheso Onona SSL or please refer to the Ministry of Health letter Makai reference no dated 6 December 2023 on the above subject. Authority is hereby conveyed to you, Health, to enable him pay for the procurement of spare parts for 307 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 305 CDI ambulances. The amount of $10 million being the equivalent of 120,711,000 Ghana cedis. Please pay attention. $10 million, no? 120,711,000. Same day, 9 February. It's a very important transaction to the minister. Meanwhile, during this period, SITAC 4 was strike. ClockSAC 4 was strike. Kanoforiata si omu nisika. Omu tuminti omuka. The strike was on. Omu si omu nisika. But this transaction, same day, 9 February, he was very busy. Spare parts is so important to him. When converted at the exchange rate of $1 to 12.0711 Ghana cedis, should be charged as per the attached specific warrant. The Controller Accountant General is also requested to arrange with the Bank of Ghana to establish letters of credit to the tune of $10 million, which amounts to 120,711,000 Ghana cedis, when converted at an exchange rate of 1 is to 12.07. By copy of this letter, the Chief Director, Ministry of Health, is being informed that any unforeseen charges that may arise because of this transaction will be charged to the Ministry of Health's 2024 Goods and Services budget. After encumbering NHIA, will encumber the goods and services as well of the Ministry of Health. This is the letter authorizing Controller Accountant General said, release $10 million. Many occasions say, no, share additional documents are intercepted from the GIFME system. There is clear confirmation, sir, based on the instruction issued by Kanoforiata. Sasikano 120.7 million Ghana cedis. Omwetia.
Paid.
Omwetia. Sikano a core company. No. This is the evidence. 23rd February 2024. And Omu release Sikano to Service Ghana Auto Group Limited. Awaha. And where this is the GIFME system, the invoice register, the government of Ghana accrual ledger. This is the evidence. Being release of funds for the establishment of letters of credit to procure spare parts for 307 unit ambulance vehicles. Spare parts. Sikano ehete omu account. Service Ghana Auto Group Limited on the 23rd of February 2024. This is the evidence. Nobody can challenge this. Incontrovertible. Irrefutable. Sikano $10 million on Wetia I hit you on my account 23rd February. Now, analysis of the $34.9 million for the spare parts now. President Akufo-Addo or commission 307 ambulances. Until we divided basic arithmetic division, $34.9 million divided by the 307 ambulances. No, Ubenya 113,000. $695 per ambulance. Can you believe that? This is their latest state of the art. Ghana, Yenibi. You will find this ambulance in Ghana. They manufacture a 2024 model. And drew $110,000.
And do spare parts, boy.
And do spare parts, boy.
What kind of?
And do spare parts, boy. And Bonnet Bay in Ghana, yeah. This is another Mercedes-Benz, Netherlands. Netherlands. And you see 104,000 euros. And drew the Yede Koto spare parts. And your viewers, move to me, our website, move to me, our Google cost of ambulance. It's $113,000 for spare parts.
What spare parts?
Is it
engine? What spare parts?
I mean, just spare parts. And what do mind if you really care about the public purse? You will not do this. You will not engage in this kind of transaction. And ambulance, and said the ambulance is coming to save lives. Because President Rawlings store ambulance, President Mills store ambulance, President Kufuor store ambulance, President Mahama store ambulances, over 100 ambulances. We never saw this. In the name of blank check, over $113,000 for spare parts.
For one car.
It's for one ambulance. It must be a special company. Let's dig deeper and assess that company's track record. And I discover, say, company no a friend of Service Ghana Auto Group Limited. It was incorporated in April 24, 2020.
Nancy,
2020 year. 2020 year. Omuni track record. Oba Ghana, Mercedes Benz for Omu authorized dealers. Ghana. Yawo car companies. Omoye Juma wa Ghana for decades. 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. Toyota for Silver Star for Mechanical Lloyd for second generation, third generation of companies. Why go for this company? No track record. No track record. And when him say, further oversight, reveal said, Yema Omo the permission to take over these ambulances in January 2020. When the company was not even incorporated. You register a company. Company. No?
Yeah, the ambulances in company.
For 4 months, company.
Then this is the worst scandal ever.
I mean, it's unbelievable.
This I've never heard of this.
It's unbelievable. intercepted omo. Is that the first payment? Is that the first transaction? Because you yeah, MPP for Bebabeka say, oh, Alama Blono, your explanation. Since I told ambulance, yeah, servicing. Ente mamu kase, oh, just about 2024. Na tia omo for from Abia 2019 and 2020 all the way. Ente we decided to cover all of those loopholes. Your call give me system nemo minia. Send a company way. Yatia omukasa consistently from January 2020
even before the company was formed, to the tune of 115 million Ghana cedis. If you put the $34.9 million, about 530 spare parts and come home. From January 2020, company way.
When company
January, okay.
And they operated for 8 months. And Sana buying from we say, okay, Mumbra na yen sign a contract. 8 months.
And within what period have they been paid 115 million?
Between 3 years, 2020 to 2023.
For what?
Servicing, maintenance.
Say you change car oil.
Car tire, yeah.
150 million.
150 million Ghana cedis. Million.
My goodness.
It's unbelievable.
For those who don't know, this is our 1.1 trillion OCDs.
Unbelievable. 150 million. Anka, this should be enough. This should be enough. You don't have to add another $34.9 million. I mean, how many businesses, even in 10 years, 20 years, can get this kind of payment from government? 115 million Ghana. And we have the evidence here. Payment, from the gift miss system. We are not making it up. And
for those who don't know what gift miss is, Ghana Minister of Finance, any buying a was system a record sikano, a clear no one and sikanet nyako, and on all can give miss.
This is the evidence. 150 million. No. This is it. From this 2020 by 2020 by the 29th December 2020 now yatiomo 107 million Ghana cedis.
Hold on.
Within the first year.
Within the first year 2029 yatiomo 107 million cedis.
Yes.
Oh, these guys are thieves.
I mean, it's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Omo system. I can create a record here. Omo give me system. No. This is it. This is the evidence of the payment.
Producer,
totally.
Yes, if you can, yeah.
Totally incredible. Into analysis now, alas, you notice that. The 150 million payment received from 2020 to 2023. Now, the $34.9 million new contract, in terms of their portfolio from government, Sika Omanya total 653 million Ghana cedis in less than 4 years. So almost 70 ambulances. And in real terms, this 653 million Ghana cedis are more than double the actual value of the ambulances. If you put all the 307 ambulances. Andrew half.
Because I mean,
That is a the Auditor General. The Ose or Penasem or Pame Dom Levo, Ose Dom Levo there, and Supreme Court released it was unjust. Yeah. It was totally wrong. It violated his rights. It's a new Auditor General now, they buy Onuna or a report way. Into young kind, the Auditor General, okay, paragraph 74. Ose, we also noted that from January to August 2020, National Ambulance Service engaged workshop this Service Ghana without any obligations, no defined terms and conditions.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Now, so na ma ambulance omoka. Yanka in paragraph 75. In addition, records from the Registrar General's Department reveal that Service Ghana Auto Group Limited was registered on 24th April 2020. Therefore, from January to April 2020, when National Ambulance Service referred maintenance works to Service Ghana Auto Group Limited, it was not a registered company with the Registrar General's Department. Can you believe that?
So that's the evidence.
That's the evidence. Auditor General. Enti yefra Mose Mumbra Service Ambulance. They had not registered the company. And they operated 4 months, and that was the year Omunya 107 million Ghana cedis. Paragraph 76. Auditor General. Furthermore, Service Ghana Auto Group Limited was registered to do business in the sale of motor vehicles. Adequate staff.
This is too much.
There's even
a Sika Yadema company Ghana. For years, yeah. 653 million.
Yeah.
We can use this.
Okay, me want me back up for her. I always move. Initiative Secretariat. On 10 September 2020, signed an MOU with Service Ghana Auto Group Limited, with National Ambulance Service being a key witness in that agreement. The agreement required Service Ghana Auto Group Limited to be the sole workshop to maintain all the 307 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter ambulances. Contrary to this agreement,
the sole
workshop. Nobody should come close. Sole workshop. Despite all of this capacity issues.
We want to know who owns this
company. It's a special company. It's a special company. Sole workshop. So, contrary to this agreement, National Ambulance Service on 24 September 2021 and 26 October 2020 referred maintenance of the Mercedes-Benz ambulances to EOB Enterprises, amounting to 40,170, 37,000 respectively. It was clear, sir, even though they gave sole rights to this company, they didn't have the capacity. International Ambulance Service for Crown, despite the agreement or money Service Ghana signing, they were going past dealing with other because they can't do it. I'm to me here. I'm need the capacity. I'm need I'm need garages. I mean, very, very damning audit report. Paragraph 82. In the contrary, we noted during our audit that Service Ghana Auto Group Limited used National Ambulance Service staff to carry out maintenance of the ambulances at National Ambulance Service workshop located in Kolebu and Tafu Agric Directorate in Kumasi. National Ambulance staff were used for maintenance works and their services paid for by the service to Service Ghana Auto Group Limited while they were on National Ambulance Service payroll. At the Kolebu workshop, National Ambulance Service had 6 staff. Service Ghana Auto Group Limited had 1 staff. While at the Kumasi workshop, National Ambulance Service had 5 staff and Service Ghana Auto Group Limited had 2 staff. As our observation shows, out of the 14 staff working in both Kumasi and Kolebu workshops, only 3 are staff of Service Ghana Auto Group Limited. Can you believe that? Meanwhile, they are using staff of the National Ambulance Service.
Buying the two private company now project contracts. No use to buy for the year.
Yeah.
And yet we are paying. We are paying 150 million cedis.
Yeah.
And on top of that, we are giving them
another $34.9 million
for spare parts.
For spare parts.
Abromu near Juma for the
They are using National Ambulance Service.
Some of these guys, I think they are sick people. Very sick.
Very sick. Very sick. Very cruel. Very unpatriotic. And young kind management response. Management are buying. Almost say the management of National Ambulance Service has agreed to the findings and recommendations for implementation. It stated that Special Development Initiative Secretariat has been informed to review the service maintenance agreement signed with Service Ghana Auto Group Limited. Into findings by the Auditor General, Management of National Ambulance Service, Ghana Health Service, Ministry of Health, Omo to me and challenge Omo G2. Because Ube some audit report, Ube who say, management Becca say, ebia idea we want sheni ye, ebia mu document we want to challenge some of your findings. We know there was no challenge. Okay, Auditor General's report. No challenge. Management said we agree with everything. And this is the company with this shady, shoddy, sleazy track record. You see, you sign a tam yesika $34.9 million at the amount. Look at their track record. This is a 2022 Auditor General's report. Anyamina maker. Me Obeka say, ebia me mpe company no. Ebia me was some other interest.
They have accepted.
They've accepted. This is the management response. Okay, paragraph 91. Management had no defense.
What's the date for this report?
May 25th, 2022. It is still available online.
So why are they giving them a new contract?